Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Zengo. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Withdrawing money from Zengo involves selling off cryptocurrency holdings and transferring the proceeds to your bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open your Zengo application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Access the sell feature from your menu bar. Zengo offers two main ways to sell your crypto for transferring into your bank account. This option allows you to directly sell your cryptocurrency and transfer the proceeding to your linked bank account. However, this might not be available in all regions. If the direct bank transfer option isn't available, you can consider swapping your cryptocurrency to stablecoin. Stablecoin are currency pegged to value of fiat currency. This can temporarily be stable before selling the stable coin for fiat later. Choose the specific cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Enter the specific amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Zengo might display an estimated amount that you will receive in your bank account based on the current rates and deducting your fees. Carefully review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency that you are selling. Depending on your region and chosen option, Zengo might require you to select a partner platform to facilitate the fiat currency transfer. Choose a reputable partner based on factors like fees and review. You might need to complete additional verification steps as required by Zengo or choose an off-ramp partner. Once you have confirmed everything, proceed with initiating the sale of cryptocurrency. The proceeding time might vary depending on the chosen method of partner. Once your cryptocurrency has been sold, you will get money in your bank account. This is how you can withdraw money from your Zengo. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.